Good morning, welcome back to Hatch. All returned from our week's break, total week shut down for maintenance and for everyone to rest themselves. All go now. Have a steel delivery coming in, thanks to Barrett's. Workshop is building up. One side of the workshop, 22 ton, red job as we call it. Brand new apartment block starting in Staverton. Over here is the Christmas tree ball just being finished. Ready to go back to one of that line. And in comes the blade job, 19 ton. Together with what's on the lorry now. Today is back to galvanising. A long line cladding which has been chosen for it is no longer on back order and should be released on Wednesday. Massive delay on this day, but unfortunately not due to us. Load of oversized fence posts. Purely drill, 18mm hole, hanging hole either end, and send for galvanising. Typical, come back to work and it looks as though it's going to be the warmest day of the year. Turbo's currently out there unloading the next load, ready to come in. Plasma cutter has already been running this morning. Cutting 2 fridge plates for a local builder. Orders on at 5 to 7 this morning. It's now 10 past 8 and they are to cut. And plates and codes. Quick clean up. Quick carrot paint, customer ready for test. Anyway, quick brief one. We are back. We are fully back. I'm not 100%, but we are fully back at work. So please remember, if you can do it, we can make it.